Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good and God bless you. Always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing a gorgeous, trendy and beautiful ladies dresses. So don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. Okay. These designs are so stunning, unique. I hope you all love these ideas. Okay, so viewers, share these videos with your friends and families who want women dress design. I really hope that they will these ideas. Guys, different people have a different designs. Okay, guys, all these dresses are mermaid white prom wedding dresses, and Italian brides embrace the luxuries and glamorous nature of this gown.